Good. Great, Adit.
Take a quality education, so you have to spend lot
Talk
of
about
money.
the previous education, like your parents and my parents gone through, and now today's
Every school
education.
is charging lots of money by education.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I am talking about the picture which seems a commercialization of education. So I want to explain this picture in points. So nowadays, education becomes a family burden. Education becomes burden on their family or guardians, because education is becomes very expensive. Family and guardians have to spend 70% of their salary in their to educate their childrens. So it's a very bad thing that if you want to take a quality education, so you have to spend lot of money. So talking about quality in equality in education, so if who have lots of money, he can take a quality education, but who have a privilege or poor person, he can't afford a quality education. Talking about business, education becomes a business nowadays, because institute and schools are prioritizing profit over learning. That's why education becomes business or business nowadays.
Continue. Good, Adit.
Thank
Continue,
you.
please.
Sir,
No. You are trying better. Continue, please. You can talk about the previous education, like your parents and my parents gone through, and now today's education. Yeah.
talking about Asian time, that time the education is very
Affordable for
affordable for everyone, but nowadays education is not affordable for everyone. It's affordable, but you have if you want to take a quality education, you have lots of money, because talking about government schools, the government schools do not teach students in a good way. Their teachers are wasting students times. But you have, if you want quality education, you have a lots of money for taking a quality education.
good. Have a clap for him. Good job. Good. Great,
Good
Adit.
evening, everyone. Today I am here to talk about a topic which is education. As we know, education is the most important thing in our life, and there are many difference between the old education that our parents are granted, and nowadays education is very costly, as every school is charging lots of money by education, and they are earning profits by because of education. In previous days, our parents studied with very good education and very less money, and the teachers are also focusing on them very much. But nowadays the teachers are not focusing much. They are only focusing in big schools, like private schools, and the government schools situation is very bad, as the teachers of there are not much responsible. They are coming late, and they are not focusing on the children. Even the students of government school, mostly the rural area, also not coming to school, as they are thinking that teachers are not coming, so why we have to come, and we have to waste our time. We can study at home also. And this if the teachers are not coming, so why students have to come school and waste their time? So education is the powerful thing in today's scenario. With education, we will be successful in our life, and by taking education, we make proud to our parents. So education, we have to take education very seriously.
Good job. Have a clap for Akansha. Great job, beta. Great.